Welcome happy campers, it's me Amanda here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're doing something a little bit different and checking out this 2022 Forest River Arctic Wolf 3990 Suite. But before we get started, don't forget, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification icon, and leave a comment below. What do you want to see from us in the future? But let's start on the outdoor entertainment space. And here we are on our outdoor entertainment space. Now this is where the party will be happening. As you can see above me, we've got one large awning that covers one of our slides. That's one of 5 slides on this Arctic Wolf. It does have that light strip underneath that awning all the way through, so this thing's gonna look great at night. Not to mention the docking lights that are at the front of this thing match, and the interior LED lights match too. So this is a really awesome camper in the nighttime. We have 2 entrances as well with some really sturdy steps. One goes into our living room and entertainment area, kitchen, and the other goes into our hallway next to our bathroom and our stairs. But we're gonna check out our storage first. Here we are in our pass-through storage of this Arctic Wolf. Plenty of space, and it's fully finished, so we can sweep it out, mop it out, or anything else we need. We have our auto leveling system on that side, 2 motion sensor automatic lights, and everything else we need is actually on the side of this camper as far as convenience center. There's one more storage option in the front of the camper. Underneath our front cap here, we have a little bit more storage, but this is where your battery is. Our battery disconnect is here also. And we do have the spare tire, but full disclosure, things change on campers. Every one may be a little bit different, so double check your spare tire, where it's located before you purchase your next camper. Another thing that's underneath here is those docking lights. You can turn them on and off here, but let's go inside. Oh, I'm so sorry, I forgot to tell you, you have to go through the rear entrance to get to the control panel. So it's over here. This entrance, your rear entrance, is the one that's closest to your control panel and also your bathroom, perfect for your guests. Again, your control panel controls all of your lights, all 5 slides, and even that awning. We have our water heater, all of our tanks as well, our how much battery we have, especially from this solar, because this camper is solar prep, so you can run a few lights off of your solar panels. And we've got our AC controls, but let's start at the front of the camper at our amazing entertainment space. Looking at our entertainment space, we have a really awesome big TV center here. Of course, you can see we don't have a TV, but each model is different, and you can order yours with a TV, or you can order one to be put in before you pick it up. We have lots and lots of storage, as well as this nice fireplace here that doubles as a heater. And we have our indoor-outdoor speaker controls, so you can really keep the music going, both inside and outside. But as you also can see, we have 2 of our 5 slides just in this area, and they both house tri-fold sofas. So both of these sofas pull out into full-size beds. So this is an awesome place to relax with your family, friends, guests. Give them a place to sleep and also maybe watch a movie. And in the best spot to see the TV in the entertainment space, these theater seatings, we have our removable cup holders just in case you want to have a barrier or you don't. And we've got massage, lights, heaters, everything, and they recline and they're super comfortable. Another thing I want to point out is all the windows in this front area. We have 3 windows in here. We can see both sides of our camper, and we have these zebra shades so you can let light in or you can block it all out. You have the choice. But let's move on to our kitchen. Right when you enter into your front entrance, you come to your kitchen. Right here we have a little bit of a bar style area where you can have maybe a buffet with appetizers, snacks for your guests. And I love the lighting accents they put into these. Also, check out the blue LED lights that are all around this camper. They match inside and out, the front and back. So that's really awesome that they add in their own little style. Over here, we've got lots more storage, as well as storage in this sort of nook area as well. I would use this for a coffee maker or anything else you want to house up here. You do have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, so you can, or 4 USB ports, so you can charge your electronics here. You can leave it in this cabinet if you would like, or any of these cabinets down below for extra storage. But moving on to our appliances, we have a GE fridge. This is a gas electric fridge, and it's pretty spacious for what you get in here. There's also a little bit of storage below, but check out this little tiny island. I love how they rounded the corners for convenience. There's plenty of sink area here. This is a very large sink, and I love the black nozzle with a movable head there, so you can do your dishes. You don't have to worry, and they even add a hand sanitizing station. right here with the nozzle, so you just put it underneath the cabinet. You've got your soap or your hand sanitizer, whatever you prefer. Here we have a 3-burner top gray stone oven and stove combo here. I really like they give you this little guard here so you don't have to get anything on your wall behind or clean up everything. Also, check out the LED lights that match, and it even put in a little cutting board for you that is secure back there, and it's not just gonna fall, it's pretty secure. More cabinets, more storage, and you could even fit an air fryer in most of these storage. And if you don't have enough, they added in a pantry. Check this out, it's almost a walk-in pantry. I've got 2 outlets in here. It goes all the way up to the height of this camper. We can add in more storage if we needed it. And these shelves come out for a washer dryer combo, stackable unit, or whatever you would like to add in and customize your camper. There's plenty of options. And last but not least, this little tiny area with more storage. This could be your electronic areas for charging, or you could use this for your coffee bar. This would be a pretty good placement too, next to your master in your bathroom. Also, check out this dinette option here. We've got a little bit of a pamphlet, but I'll pull it away. Black, real wood style. I love the live edge. And 4 chairs and lots of windows and more accent lighting that really makes it feel like home. But let's head down this hallway. Down the hall, past the kitchen and almost to the master, is our bathroom of this Arctic Wolf. First of all, the ceilings are so high. This is definitely tall people friendly. And they also give you storage all the way up and all the way back to the back of the shower. And our sink area, we have a really large sink with a black matching faucet like the kitchen, mirrored front medicine cabinet, and storage below. Big enough for a small trash can for your bathroom. So just big enough. Also to our side here is our foot flush toilet, and you can't see it in the shot, but we actually have a full-size wood door, sliding door, so that's really awesome, but it's stowed away for travel right now. This is a very spacious shower. I like that they give you lots of places for your soaps and a removable shower head. Both you can hold it down here or even up here depending on your height. And our door here is a squeegee door. It really gets rid of all of the water, and it automatically just rolls back up so you don't have that curtain flowing in the wind or getting in your way. But let's move down the hall to our master. Past the bathroom, and one other thing, but we'll get to that later, is the master. So I'm stepping down into our master. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows in this room in itself, so we can see all 3 sides of our camper. We have a really large king-size bed right here in the middle. It also is in its own slide. And check out this little closet they've added in. You have a full hanging rod, and this door closes to shut it, of course, but let's switch the view. Right in front of our bed is storage area and where you would mount your TV. Of course, again, double check with your camper. Some come with TVs and some you have to add them on afterwards. Down here though, check how big these drawers are, and even this storage cabinet for anything else you may need to hold regardless. And another storage cabinet in and of its own. It's sort of like an entertainment style, but one thing I really like is this back window. This is the absolute rear of your camper, so wherever you're parked, whatever your view is, you will have it from your master. But let's go to that place I was talking about earlier, the special loft. Up our secret stairs with our sturdy grab handle, we have the loft that is perfect for kids or even adults. Now the headspace is a little bit lower here, of course, so it's better fitted for kids, but I could sleep in here pretty comfortably. We have 2 teddy bear mattresses on the ground with lots of storage cubbies available and small shelves that act as side tables or bedside tables, and each have their own window on each side with shades and of course lights that turn on and off just by a touch of the button. But if you're interested in a camper like this or have any questions, give us a call here at Cookeville RV Marine or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.